Thursday!
My name's Blurry Face and I care what you think. My name's Blurry Face and I...
Yep, judging by the looks of this, I'm not going anywhere today. Hey Daily Ears, it's your boy Kenny coming back with you on a very rainy and hot. Stay on my vent. What was I? Oh yeah, back with you on another day, a depressing day. And yeah, I'm not going anywhere, not doing anything. So I thought I'd put my video up today, or get it done now and over with. I don't know. I don't know anymore. I'm tired. Where's my glasses? Where are you? Ah, much better. Anywho. Ooh. Damn it, it's inside. Let's get the show on the road. Guess what? Christmas presents. Ho ho ho. Look how depressing that tree is. Yup. I'm back to square one. It is so depressing out. Oh, I got good news. Yeah, I forgot. I remembered. I got a skateboard design. I'll post pictures of it on my Instagram. And it'll cost like $40 to make it, but I don't really trust the company with what they're got, like the trucks and wheels and all that. So what I'm gonna do is, order some aftermarket parts for it as soon as I get the board. But I probably won't get the board till probably February, right? Income tax time. But yeah, so I got my skateboard design up. I'll post it on Instagram. So, and after I get my skateboard, I'll get my BMX bike. So yeah, until then, getting out.
My name's Blurry Face and I care what you think. My name's Blurry Face and I